In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter timesheets using the WAP interface. The interface works with Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Your administrator will have emailed you a path, as highlighted, to allow you to log on to the WAP logon screen. Once you reach this screen, you're presented with a username or a password. Once you enter your username and password, you select Log On, the system will open. In the standard interface screen, you will be given Home, Expenses, allowing you to add new expenses, find existing expenses and run reports, Timesheets, new timesheets, existing timesheets and approved timesheets, and Holidays, allowing you to enter new holidays, existing requests or approve holiday requests. If we go to the timesheet section, we can see the new timesheets. If we enter a new timesheet, the system will tell me the last time a timesheet was entered. We actually have entered timesheets for the first 2 weeks of this year. This is the database name that it's going to be logging into, the username, and I'm going to enter for week 3, which is the 16th of January. We then select Add. We could then populate the hours that we've spent on the first project. When we've entered the hours, we can then select the project details. We can search by code, title or description, but we can also go through and enter the first few letters of a code to find specific information. If I enter DUN, it will automatically find every occurrence where DUN is in either of those 3 fields. If I take this box, we can see that it's been posted to project item, and this is the default, so we don't have to enter this. We then select the code, which will normally be standard, charge rate, which will be standard, and then populate with some notes. When we've completed this, we click on Update. We can then add another project. I fill in some hours, I select a project, I update the cost code, I update the charge code, and I enter the details. Select Update. When this has been updated, I'll amend that, just showing you how to amend. If I edit that, go back to the 20, I'm going to change that to 2, and select Update. I can now see that I've entered 37 hours. We have an option here as well to either save only or save and submit. Save only allows you to go back and amend the timesheet and change the timesheet, while submit is the finalisation from the user's perspective, submits it then to be authorised. We've also got additional tabs here for adjustment history if we've made changes to it, to the date, the time. We have notes if we want to add notes to the project or to the timesheet. We have time in lieu if there's time in lieu being used. We have attachments if we want to add any documents to this timesheet, and we have approval history which will be populated once it has been sent off for approval. You can see who approved the timesheet. In this instance, we are going to do Save Only. When we click the Save Only, the system will go through and give the timesheet a number. In this case, it's timesheet number 4. And it confirms who it's for and the week number. If we close this now, if we log out and we log back in again, this is just showing you if the user logged out the system, and we look at existing timesheets and we click Apply Filter, we can see that there is one new timesheet that's been entered. timesheet number 4, the Chandra, the date, the hours, etc. I click Edit. It'll allow me to see those details, the hours worked, and we can go through and edit, delete the line, amend the line, or change it. Now we're in a situation that we'd like to send that to be authorized. So I select Save and Submit. When that's been submitted, we can then close this. If we look at existing timesheets once more, apply the filter, we can see that it will move from New to Submitted. The user can now see that there are 2 timesheets waiting to be submitted, requiring approval. If we edit number 4, we can also see that it's waiting for approval, and it's Angela that's going to be approving this. If we close this, what I'd like to do now is log out and log in as Angela. If I log out of the system and log in as Angela, Angela will see that there is 2 timesheets waiting for approval. She would then go to Approve Timesheet by User, and she would see the timesheet number 4. She would then approve all, providing they're acceptable, and that would then be posted to Sage. If I log off of Angela and go back in Chandra, go to Existing Timesheets, apply filter, you can see that timesheet number 4 has now been fully approved. This is the end of this short video. Thank you.